Alright, well the first thing you have to do is roll the window down. Go up a little bit, there we go. And we'll take these two 10mm loose, move the glass up, remove this door panel out of the way, and then we can get to that latch. Alright, well I kind of forgot to put this little gasket in there, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright. There we go. Now we'll put our screw in. Alright, so that screw goes right in there. Snug it up. There we go. Plug it off. Put the plug in. There we go. We're done. Like I say, I have no idea what was wrong with this old assembly. It worked sometimes, and then sometimes it just wouldn't latch at all.